Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Discord profile link. Having a direct profile link makes it much easier for others to find and connect with you, especially if you don't want to share your username or deal with friend requests manually. It's a useful option for networking, community building, or simply staying connected with friends across servers. Whether you're trying to connect with friends, join new communities, or make it easier for others to find you on Discord, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord application and go to the bottom left corner to click on the settings icon. Once you're there, scroll all the way down on the left-hand menu and select Advanced. Make sure developer mode is turned on. Once that's enabled, press the escape button to close out of the settings. Make sure this step is completed so that you can access the unique ID you'll need for your profile link. Next, head over to any server from the left-hand side of Discord and scroll to one of your previous messages or type a new one. Click on your profile name from the message, then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select the three horizontal dots and press Copy User ID. This ID is key to creating a shareable link. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Open Notepad or any text editor on your computer and type discordapp.com/users/ and then paste your Discord ID number after the slash. Doing this beforehand ensures your link is correct and ready to share with friends or anyone you want to connect with on Discord. Once you've completed these steps, you can take the full URL and paste it into a web browser to test it. After that, you should be able to share this link with anyone, and it will take them directly to your Discord profile without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to save this link somewhere safe so you can quickly share it anytime. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and share your Discord profile link easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to connect more easily. Why not make someone's day easier?